Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Have you ever seen this happen? You search your own page and Google shows the HTTP version or the www version or a URL with weird parameters instead of the clean version you intended. This is not random. Google is constantly deciding which version of your page should be indexed. For some people, all of them actually are indexed at the same time. And if you don't control that decision, Google will make it for you. Today, we are going to break down exactly how that works. Most websites accidentally create multiple versions of the same page. Even though the content is identical, to humans, they look the same. To Google, they are different URLs, and that creates duplication signals. Canonicalization is the process of selecting the preferred version of the page. Google must choose one URL to index and rank. The others become duplicates. This decision is based on signals, not preference, not guessing. Signals. There is a hierarchy of signals. The strongest is a 301 redirect. If HTTP redirects to HTTPS, that's a clear instruction. Next is the canonical tag, then internal linking consistency, then sitemap signals. And finally, Google prefers HTTPS to HTTP by default. Now, what are the difference between HTTPS and HTTP? Since security became a ranking factor, Google strongly prefers HTTPS sites. If your HTTP and HTTPS versions both load without directing, you have duplicate pages and Google must choose. Always redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Never leave both accessible. Now we are going to talk about www or non-www. They are technically different hosts. Google treats them separately unless you unify them, and you must choose one. And 301 redirects the other. Otherwise, backlinks may split between two versions, which weakens authority. Parameters are one of the biggest causes of canonical confusion. Tracking parameters, sorting parameters, filtering parameters. If these URLs are indexable, Google may treat them as separate pages. This wastes crawl budgets and splits signals. If your canonical tag says one thing but the internal links point to another version, Google may ignore your canonical. If external backlinks point heavily to one variation, Google may choose that instead. Canonical tags are hints, they are not commands. Redirects are commands. Now, how do you check your canonicals? Firstly, as you can see on the screen, we need to open Search Console. Then, from Search Console, we go to URL inspection. Then, let's select one other page. Let's use Brim Assessment. Then let's pick a page on Brim Assessment. Let's say the services page. So we copy this and then we paste this here. Now we see two values here. The user declared canonical and the Google selected canonical. And you can see that. So here, the user declared canonical is brimassessment.co.uk and the Google selected canonical is inspected URL. This shows that what you are pointing to as a canonical and what Google has selected, they are both the same thing. If they don't match, you have conflicting signals. and it must be fixed. Now, what is the correct setup? You have to force HTTPS number one, then you have to pick whether www or non www, then redirect the variation that you did not pick to the variation you picked. Use a self-referencing canonical tag and ensure all internal links point to the preferred version. So you cannot have your canonical as one thing, then have internal links with another version. Consistency eliminates confusion. Now, why does this matter for rankings? If you don't control canonicalization, backlinks may split across versions. Google may crawl duplicates instead of real pages. Rankings may fluctuate. This is a silent SEO damage. Final takeaway: canonicalization is not advanced SEO, it's foundational SEO. If your technical structure sends mixed signals, Google simply makes a choice, and it may not be the one you want. Google Google selects based on its own metrics, which may not favor your ranking. So you need to control your URL versions, and if you do that, you will control your rankings. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.